Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, lover of all things good. So today I'm going to be showcasing something interesting to you as well. It's going to be an unboxing, it's going to be fun, a little bit unique, but something that's very useful, functional, and a great addition to your cookware collection. So please, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications and give me that thumbs up. And also leave me a comment, I really do appreciate it. It definitely helps grow the channel. So here you go, you can see it right here. That is the item I'm going to be showcasing for you today. So this is one of my favorite new additions to my collection of cookware. This is from Creuset. It's a French brand, world-renowned, has decades and generations of heritage. I believe they've been around since like 1925 or something like that, but forever. And these actually almost last forever as well. They're virtually indestructible. It's made from cast iron and it has a nice, beautiful coating of enamel on the inside as well as the outside of the pan. So the interesting thing about this is that it actually comes as a 2-in-1 set. This is the multifunction pan, but if you look at this, it's really cool. It has this 8-inch enamel cast iron frying pan, which comes on top. Great for like doing an omelet, single egg, doing a small meal for 1 or 2 people, but really great, very versatile, and very even cooking on it, and it really holds the temperature very nicely. In addition to that, you also have this saucepan, which is 2.5 quarts, 2.5 quarts actually to be exact. And it's great, beautifully done. Comes in that beautiful, this is like an indigo enamel color on the outside and has this nice kind of cream sand color on the inside right there, but beautifully done. And the lid, which also is this frying pan, which is 8 inches, goes right on top and nests just like that. And it's great for making a soup, or whatever you want to do, or like even like doing some roasting or anything in the oven. It virtually functions as a 2.5 quart Dutch oven. So I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison right now. All right, so see you have the 2.5 quart multifunction pan by Creuset right here. And then you have, this is my 5.5 quart Dutch oven that I did an unboxing on about a year ago. So please check it out I'll link it here too. But please check it out on my channel. This was my first piece of Creuset that I purchased. I love it, it's great, I use it quite often. It's great for stews and everything else. But you can do basically the same thing in this, but at a smaller quantity. This is great for baking bread, which I used to do a lot before keto. But this also, you can do the same thing here, but it's just fun because you get 2-in-1 as well. And I actually really do love collecting for Creuset and just cast iron enamel. I use it a lot, and you know, I actually have a lot of things going on in the stove at the same time. So it's great to have multiple pieces to accomplish the job. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to turn on notifications and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more to come, and let me know what you think. All right, thanks so much for watching.